Here this is the map of India which you can see properly. Since our today's chapter is to fill the maps, for that you must go through this video, and if you don't study this map properly you will not be able to fill the map. Since there is a large number of cities mentioned on the map, so I cannot speak the name of all the cities. You have yourself to see where which place is where, means कहाँ पर कौन सा सिटी है ये आपको खुद देखना पड़ेगा. First of all, we are going to the North India. Here you can see main cities such as Ladakh, Kargil, Leh, Jammu Kashmir, Jammu, Dharamshala. Yes, Dharamshala is very important. On the border there is Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and here is China. Go further, this is Chandigarh, Shimla, that is the Himachal Pradesh. This is Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and this small part that is in the rectangular box, this is Delhi, and this change colored, this part is known as Delhi, and Delhi is between two states, that is Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So two states touch the borders of Delhi. Then it is Meerut, Muradabad, Bareilly, Shahjahanpur, Bahraich, Lucknow, Ayodhya and Faizabad, they are together nearby. Gorakhpur, Kushinagar, that is important for the Jainis, Kanpur, Etawah, Faizabad, then Prayagraj. When we go to Rajasthan, there are important cities: Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Sikar, Ajmer, that is here, Jaipur, Bharatpur, that is Alwar, Savai Madhopur, Pushkar. Pushkar has the important city, important temple of the god Lord Brahma. Jodhpur, Pali, Bhilwara, Bundi, Kota. These two places are very important for the competitive exam centers. Chittorgarh, that Rajsamand, Mount Abu, that is a very popular and very important tourist place. Udaipur. Then we go to Gujarat. There is Bhuj, Kandla, Gandhinagar, Ahmednagar, Rajkot, Junagadh, Bhairavnagar, Vadodara, Dwarka, Jamnagar, Porbandar, where Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born. Then we go there to Madhya Pradesh. There are Gwalior, Jhansi, both are important places, and then Khajuraho, Satna, Rewa, Singul, Katni, Sagar, and this is the capital Bhopal, and important place is Ujjain. Then Dewas, Indore, Khandwa, Chhindwara, Jabalpur. Now let us go to Maharashtra. Maharashtra, this is Mumbai on the sea back, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Kandla, Mahabaleshwar, Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, Sangli, Solapur, Latur, Ahmednagar, Nanded, Jalna, Aurangabad. Then Goa, that is on the border of two states, Karnataka and Maharashtra, and Goa's capital Panaji. In Karnataka there is Bagalkot, Rakhur, Vijaypura, Kalaburangi, Palagebi, Shivamoga, Udupi, Tambula, Bengaluru, that is the capital of Karnataka, and Mandya. Then we go, there is Kerala, and this is the in green shade, very important place for the Indian culture and the Sanatan Dharma. Thiruvananthapuram is its capital. Kollam, Alappuzha, Kochi, Thrissur, Palakkad, Palakkad, Kojna, and there it is Kavarati. Here it is Lakshadweep, that is a group of a large number of islands. It is Sri Lanka, and there is far away place, that is Andaman Nicobar. They are the islands in the ocean, and Port Blair is the capital. That is also a very important place. Now we go to Tamil Nadu. There is Salem, Erode, Tirupur, Tiruchirappalli, Kodanda, Diniguli, Modilai, and Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. These are the 3 states touching the borders of Tamil Nadu. Pondicherry or Puducherry is the capital of this state. Tanjavur or Tanjore, Karaikal Purgeri. Now let us go Andhra Pradesh. It has Komul, Andrapur, Anandpur, Tirupati, Chittoor, Nellore, Guntur, Vijayawada, Machilipatnam, a very important place for the ancient culture and ancient race, and Kakilinanda, Yanam, Vishakhapatnam, and so state. There is Hyderabad and Telangana. That is the capital. There is one more important place in Andhra Pradesh, that is Amravati. In Amravati, the tales of Amravati are famous. There is Chhattisgarh. In Maharashtra we have seen that. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Bilni, Nayab Rajpur. In Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rampur. Then Ambikapur, Korba. In Madhya Pradesh we have already seen Indore, Ujjain. In Jharkhand, Dhanbad, Ranchi, Jamshedpur, that is very important place for the steel industry. Then there is West Bengal, that is Bankura. Durgapur is also important for steel industries and other things. Howrah, Kolkata, that is here on the border, not on the border but near Bangladesh. Then there is Bihar, capital is Patna, Chhapra, Darbhanga, Purnia, Nalanda, and Bhagalpur. Nalanda was the center of Indian culture and study, which had been burnt by the foreigners who came here. There is Meghalaya, capital Shillong, Guwahati, Assam's capital. Assam's capital is Dispur, not Guwahati. That is, Guwahati is a very important place. Then Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Tinsukia, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl,